Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's a girl Brittany, and today we're back with another. So no, this is not us today, you know, but this is an installment. All right, so today I'm just doing the ball cap method, where I'm taking the gotta be glue and just spray it on the hair, on the cap, just to secure the cap firmly to the skin. Right after that, then I'm using the blow dryer just to dry the glue, the spray that I use. Then I'm going to take the gotta be glue and just put it around the perimeter of my head, just to firmly keep down that stacking cap, because you know, after you cut off the stacking cap, the excess stacking cap, it's normally roll up, so we don't want that. So I'm using the glue just to make it secure, like we have less rolling, if you understand what I mean. Then we're gonna take the blow dryer and just blow it. Always remember to keep your blow dryer on cool heat, not at heat, because at heat don't get the job done. Always remember, keep it on cool heat, guys. So as you can see, after I cut off the excessive cap and I did contour it with some makeup, you see that rolly thing that we have at the side right here. We don't want that, right? So what I'm doing right now is just taking some more of the glue, the gotta be glue, and just kind of, you know, lay it down, let it more flat or melt it to the skin, so we can apply the wig. But guys, I'm going to stop talking right now. Just watch the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, guys, and just I'll get back to you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy.
What we do here is go back.
Yeah, so this is the actual finishing look of how I install my wig. Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that comment section. Let me know what you think about this installment. Remember guys, I'm not a pro, right? I'll see you in my next video guys.